Hi everyone. Bank Nifty 1 minute chart 9:15 am market open. In this chart automatically you will get calls like a signal. Yesterday we have received a buy signal, that a green color candle at 11:45 am. It has given a 100-point positive stride, a strong closing at first target range. And today November 7, after 1 minute of market open at 9:16 am, sell call generated, so red color candle open. Daily, automatically, it will give calls like a signals. Today, 1 minute of market open, sell call generated, so red color signal has been given. Sell call came at sell at 43,716. That a straight white line from red color candle. That is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. Daily, you will open this chart and you can get the call. You can place the order manually in your broker account. For auto trading also, by connecting your broker account, it is possible. For plan details, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Up to 10 o'clock, market was traded in between the 50-point momentum. But after 10 o'clock, a good downside direction, 43,650 range breakout and continuous bearish momentum. It has breakout 80 point, 90 point in the downside direction. Meanwhile, let's take a look at option chart also. 43,600 put option chart. Today November 7, after 1 minute, in put option chart, we have received the buy call at 197 range and market move all the way to the 250, 260 range. Like this option chart also, it has performed really well. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide the plan details. Thank you.